Have you ever wondered how a rocket is made to fit humans for a space launch? Well, let's dive into the intriguing world of rocket construction. It's a complex and meticulous process that begins with a concept, an idea. This idea then takes shape through rigorous designing, testing, and assembling. Designing a rocket is not just about aesthetics. It's a blend of art and science, where engineers have to consider the rocket's purpose, the load it will carry, and the harsh conditions of space. Once the design is finalized, we move to the testing phase. Here, every component of the rocket is tested under extreme conditions to ensure its reliability and safety. The final stage, assembling, is where all these tested pieces come together to form the rocket that will pierce through our atmosphere and venture into the unknown. It's a long and challenging journey from blueprint to launch pad, but it's just the beginning. Rocket construction begins with the intricate process of design. This involves engineers creating a spacecraft that can survive its journey to space, no easy feat. The first consideration is the selection of materials that can endure extreme temperatures, from the intense heat during launch to the icy cold in space. These materials also need to be lightweight for efficiency. Next, the rocket's shape is designed to resist air pressure. A streamlined design is favored to cut through the atmosphere with minimum resistance. Following this, engineers allocate sufficient space for fuel storage, the lifeline of the spacecraft. Lastly, the rocket needs to be habitation-ready for astronauts. A comfortable, functional, and safe cockpit is a priority. Each of these considerations sets the stage for the subsequent steps in rocket construction. Design finalization leads to rocket building and testing, a careful assembly of the engine, fuel tanks, and astronaut living. The engine, the rocket's powerhouse, is put together with accuracy to endure the intense heat and pressure of space launches. Fuel tanks, unlike ordinary gas tanks, hold the propellant for the engine. The living space is essentially a mini apartment in space, providing all essentials for astronaut survival. After assembly, the rocket undergoes extensive testing, simulating space conditions such as extreme temperatures and intense vibrations. These tests are fundamental for astronaut safety, identifying possible issues that could endanger the mission or crew lives. This paves the way for the final critical step, the launch. The final step in rocket construction is preparing it for launch, a precise and patient process that demands respect for the power at hand. We begin by fueling the rocket, handling each volatile substance with care to ensure every ounce is accounted for, ready to propel the rocket beyond our atmosphere. Then, we load the crew and supplies. Each member holds the mission's success on their shoulders, making them the most valuable cargo on board. Supplies, from food to scientific equipment, are carefully packed and stowed in their designated spots, each ounce critical in space's unforgiving environment. Lastly, we conduct a system and equipment check, leaving no room for chance. Combining cutting-edge technology with human diligence, every possible scenario is addressed. With the rocket now ready for launch, the exploration of the vast expanses of space can commence.